Hello and welcome back to the Real Talk Youth Impact Program. I am so excited about giving you information about what we have in store for the nation. And we're looking forward for people like yourself to join hands with us to continue to change the lives of the people we service. We have so many new things on board, and I'm just excited to present it to you in hopes that you would take heed, jump in, and feel the wealth of knowledge that we need to share with our youth. My name again is Cherie Cornell, and I am the founder and executive director of the local nonprofit here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We have been servicing our youth for over 7 years now, and we've serviced over 1,700 kids, and we've graduated over 950 kids through our program. And that's just with our monthly program where we meet with our youth, now virtually because of the pandemic, and we share all of the things that they need to know about life in order to make positive changes. So we've decided also to incorporate new programming, which hopefully this will allow us to keep those kids engaged with us for up to 18 months. Because let's face it, without stability and structure, we end up losing youth. And the key is to continue to provide them the things that they need to make sound decisions on their own, because life is about choices. So the couple of programs that we're going to incorporate within the next 6 months, and we're going to unveil the first one. It's called the Real Talk Academy umbrella, by the way. And so under that umbrella, we have three categories. And we have the Career Prep Program that we're unveiling on October 2020. And the second program that we're going to unveil in 2021, by June, that is 2021, is the Leadership Program, and soon to follow is the Career Mentoring Program. Now let's start with the Career Prep Program. So all this entails is an introduction class where you, if you choose to get involved, we would just love for you to share your career, whatever expertise that you have in that career, and share it with our kids. It is a one-time introduction class. You have from an hour and a half to share your program about what you do. And you can choose a day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, whatever day is convenient for you. We're looking for just an hour and a half of your time to share how you became the productive person in your career, why you chose that career, how much money you make, because you know that those kids are going to want to know how much money you make, what it takes to get to that career, and basically just share how you evolved. We want these kids to ask questions in reference to what you do and how to get there. So again, it's only an hour and a half of your time. You pick the day and we'll set you up for the intro class. We are going to require a minimum of 5 kids for that class. If you get 5 kids, and let's say you teach the intro class, and that kid says, or those kids say, hey, I want to learn more about this. Is there another class that you have? Then we can share with them, yes, we have an actual next class would be the curriculum class, wherein you can opt to teach the intro and the curriculum, or just teach the intro class, whatever is convenient with your schedule. Now, the curriculum class consists of up to 6 weeks, and of course, you have to submit a curriculum to us so we can approve and see what you're going to be teaching these youth. And you can do a hybrid session. If you choose the curriculum course, what you can do is teach an online class, which is all academics. The following week, you might do an on-site class. The following week, you might do another academic class, whatever suits your needs. But it will be up to 6 weeks. And once those kids graduate, we will supply them a certificate of completion with our company logo and your company logo, so we can show that we're in collaboration with each other. And then once the kids get excited about receiving those completion certificates, they can move on and have another intro class with another career of choice. We don't stop the kids from just completing any and all classes that they choose. The idea is to give them a bigger background of what's available to them as far as careers. So they have that option. Take as many as you want, get engaged in hopes that we can help them steer in the right direction of choosing the proper career for them. Now, the age requirement for these kids to join in the career prep classes are ages 13 to 18. That's our cutoff, 13 to 18. And then once they complete these classes, then they can move on to our leadership class, which is, of course, a requirement of 13 to 18 as well. And then leadership classes are up to 12 months as well. You too can join in hands with the leadership class. It's your choice. We would like to teach these kids accountability, creativity, learning the corporate sector, financial stability, teaching them character, integrity, all of the things that are needed to become successful leaders in our community. We are requesting any and all of you who wish to be a part of the leadership program to reach out to us as well. And then the third program we have, it's a career mentoring program. We want people who possibly have taught the intro classes to our kids or have taught the career curriculum classes to our kids to maybe consider joining forces with being a mentor in the career category. We would love to have you be a part of that as well. Now, keep in mind, of course, there are 3 different categories that you can choose from. Whatever suits your needs, if you have time to do all 3, please join us. We would love to have you on board because I believe the more contact that this youth has with you, be it in an intro class, in a curriculum course, or a leadership class, that just creates a lot more stability and comfortability for that child to continue to want to pursue their dreams. So if that's you, any of the 3 categories that I've given to you, please join us. We are just trying to continue to provide the necessary tools for these kids to be successful, not only in our communities, but across the nation. The career mentoring program and also the leadership program, they will also be receiving a certificate of completion. So keep that in mind. The goal is to create a career resume building platform for these kids to be great world changers. So if that's you, reach out to us. And once again, if you don't have that time to do any of the 3 categories, reach out to us in a different way and help us out by either donating funds, continuing to look at sponsoring a youth, because we do offer extracurricular activities to all of our kids in our program, up to $150 a month to any activity they want, as long as they have that 2.0 with passing grades. So you can provide a support system for that child. You can provide also any other time, talent, and treasure. So if that's you, if you want to be behind the scenes, we welcome that too. Please reach out to us via our website at www.realtalkyip.org, or you can reach us via phone 702-625-2417. I hope this information was informative for you, and I really wish that you take heed and join our forces in creating positive changes for the lives of the youth that we service. Take care, and God bless.